Here are 5 investment options to help you get started. Number 1. Start or add to a savings account. With the best annual interest rates below 1%, putting money into a savings or money market account may not seem like much of an investment at all. However, millions of households don't have adequate funds on hand in case of an emergency. If you're in that boat, this is a great place to start. Here's why putting money into basic savings is a great investment. Rainy days are inevitable. While predicting life's twists and turns and when they'll occur is impossible, being prepared with some cash on the sidelines will always help to cushion the blow. And, if it keeps you from borrowing money at high interest, like via a credit card, then that small return from the savings account was well worth it. Strive to have at least 3 to 6 months worth of cash stashed away. Number 2. Invest in an IRA. If you don't have access to a work-sponsored retirement plan or your plan won't allow you to add extra money, you aren't out of luck. That's where individual retirement accounts, IRAs, come in. If you have $1,000, starting an IRA at an online brokerage is a great way to start working toward long-term wealth generation. For 2022, investors can deposit up to $6,000 into an IRA and up to an additional $1,000 if you're older than 50. Number 3. Invest in stocks. If you want more control over your investments and which businesses you own, consider purchasing individual stocks. Even with $1,000, it's possible to build a well-rounded portfolio of starter stocks. Many brokerages even allow investors to purchase fractional shares of those stocks with high share price tags. It's possible to own individual stocks in both IRAs and taxable brokerage accounts. Additionally, gains in individual stocks aren't taxed until you sell them, making this an ideal strategy for deferring taxes in a brokerage account. Number 4. Invest in ETFs. After you open an IRA or brokerage account, it's time to start choosing where to invest. If you're just getting started, an exchange-traded fund, ETF, is an excellent place to begin. There are thousands of ETFs to choose from, many of them tracking a benchmark such as the US bond market or stock market. ETFs are easy to purchase, on average have lower fees than many other investment options like actively managed mutual funds, and can accept even small deposits. If you have $1,000, learn how to invest in ETFs to begin your investing journey. Number 5. Use a robo-advisor. Not interested in searching for and managing an investment portfolio? Consider using a robo-advisor, an online service that automates certain parts of a financial plan and portfolio management. These days, there are plenty of robo-advisors to choose from. Most of them have little to no initial deposit minimum. $1,000 is more than enough to get started, and will choose a basket of funds or ETFs tailored to your long-term goals. Management fees are usually less than 0.3% per year. For every $1,000, that's $3 in annual charges to your account, and the service will help you set up a plan for making recurring deposits to help you reach your final financial destination. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for our future updates. Thank you for watching.